Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from my Sagari channel, a faith healer, also material. So ngayong hapon na tatagan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is the monthly gabay for the month of August 2024 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mga kagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit. So let's watch this. Gilapin at bubulabugin natin ang buong pagkatao nyo ngayong August na to. So eto na, tunghayan nyo na. Angel spirit, please give me information po. Oh my God, this is the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles. So this is something of practicality. This is something of good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. No, kumbaga this is something a puzzle or something a way or a pattern for you. No, kumbaga may mga bagay na alam mo na kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. No, kumbaga marunong kang humawak ng finances. No, kumbaga hindi malabo sa iyo yan. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit guides. And because this is something a Queen of Cups, that's something healing. Oh my God. Maring, kumbaga, malakas ang energy with a mother figure here, ha? Kumbaga, maaring magkaroon ka na ng healing. And of course, something intelligence, no? How to use and how to hold something. And the strength card is something confidence. No? Lakasan ng loob, lakasan ng pakiramdam. And because this is something a Page of Pentacles with an investment. So, marunong ka dapat na magkaroon ng humawak ng pera or either, kumbaga, this is something invested, maaaring magkaroon ka ng transactions, no? Or maaaring magpundar ka ng sasakyan, magpundar ka ng negosyo, or magpundar ka ng bahay, gano'n. This is something a magician with the manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na ma-manifest. Gano'n. Because there is a Four of Wands by celebration na unti-unti ka na magsi-celebrate. So, this is something homecoming, celebration. Family gathering, guys. The Queen of Pentacles represent the lovers. So, connected about sa love life daw, kuya. No ba? May tungkol sa pag-ibig. This is something the Hangman. You're feeling stuck. From what? From the past. From the heart pain. No, kumbaga nandun ka sa nagkakaroon ka ng recovery, but eventually kumbaga you're feeling hung, you're feeling stuck sa situation, and the Sun card represent the Strength card. Kailangan ng confident. Natatakot ka pa siguro, no? Or natatakot kang kumbaga magsimula ng panibagong eksena, or either natatakot kang mag-entertain ng tao. So let's see what is the Page of Pentacles. So this is something the Knight of Wands for the silence. No? Hindi kang bibig. No, may mga bagay na gusto kang bilhin, may mga bagay na gusto kang gawin. Kumbaga mas maganda yung tahimik ka lamang, no? The Magician represents the Three of Cups. So by celebration talaga with the third party. Na meron ditong kumbaga may third party involved with the family related, friends related, and this is something the judgment. Paalala sa iyo na you need to pay attention sa paligid mo, no? So let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles and because the Lovers. So this is something a Knight of Pentacles with the security. Na maging secure ka pagdating sa financial and love life, no? Kumbaga mayroong kumukuha ng eksena dito, no? Kumbaga hinahanapan ka ng pagkakataon lang, no? Para guluhin ang eksena mo. This is the Queen of Cups and because the Kingman represent the Nine of Pentacles with the blossoming abundance. So, makaka-recover ka, baguhin mo lang daw ang perspective or pananaw mo dito. No? Baguhin mo yung mindset. The Strength card and of course the Sun card represent the Page of Cups by intuition, no? Kumbaga, resistance ko dito, this is a spiritual, spiritual for a fighting spirit, guys, like that, ganon. Kumbaga, parang kailangan mo mag-boost ng confidence or boost ng self-esteem, no? This is something an inner voice, guys. Nalakas ang mga pakiramdam mo. This is something a vision. So, the Page of Pentacles, because the Knight of Wands represent what? Represent the star card, the wish fulfillment. So, may mga bagay na unti-unti na matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Dahil, kumbaga, unti-unti mo mapupundar ko naman yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Maging tahimik ka lang. Or yung mga plano mo, wag mong chinichika or chinichismis. The Magician and the Three of Cups represent the Emperor. No, meron ditong, kumbaga, sinusubukang guluhin, buyuin, no? Or i-brainwash yung person mo or either ikaw. Additional messages with an angel spirit. With the Four of Wands, sa judgment. Represent the Knight of Wands for slowly but surely, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na mahinahon man, 'di ba? Sigurado makukuha mo. Judgment, paalala that this is something celebration of homecoming and the twin flame energy. May twin flame dito, ha? Mari kumbaga pinapakita dito na kailangan maging haba mo yung pasensya mo sa mga bagay-bagay na gusto mo makuha, no? Kumbaga this is something deserves into reality, but you need to be kalma, no? Ganun. Additional outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome sa iyo is the Ace of Swords, a breakthrough. Magtatagumpay ka talaga. May mga bagay lang na kailangan mong putulin, no? Yung mga nakakasama or nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, not because of your actions, no? The Nine of Cups is an offer. May offer dito, guys, with the word card. There's a trouble, guys. And there's a success, guys, with all aspects. So, let's see what is additional messages about naman sa'yo sa career. Sa career mo, this is the full card. So, leave a faith and new beginning. And because this is the two of course with a partnership. No? Kumbaga, maging mahinahon ka pakikipag-partnership or pakikipag-collaborate. There's a something transaction dito na sinusubukan na pananampalataya at tiwala mo. Kung hanggang saan ka, kumbaga, kakapit, no? Kumbaga, kung maniniwala ka ba o mabubudol ka nila, no? Ingat ka dito sa pag-partnership. This is something in your beginning coming in for you. And the chart ka dito is something you're taking action. Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. And this is something, the Seven of Swords by sneakiness, no? This is something you're cheating, lying on you. Just be aware, guys, no? Ito yung sinasabi ko, baka mabudol ka, maskam ka, just be aware. And because about naman tayo sa love life, there's a justice. Karma is waving. No, may mga tao maniloko ka, no? Babalik sila para, 'di ba? Para budulin ka ulit or either babalik sila kasi para para ipakita sa iyo na nagsisisi sila or nangihinayang sila. This is the Queen of Swords, the bigger picture. Makikita mo na kaagad dito yung posibilidad. No, itong tao na to is for long time or for long term, for long run, ganon. Kung sinasabi dito, guys, this is justice will a karma will be served for you. Additional messages about sa love life. So this is a Ten of Pentacles with a long-term success and long-term investment in financial security and long-term relationship, guys, no? And because this is the Queen of Wands by confident. Kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo, ha? Itong tao na to pang matagalan talaga siya, dahil. Additional message about sa health. There's an Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money and big opportunities. Na may malaki oportunidad na papasok dito pagdating sa finances na magbibigay sa iyo ng something stress-free. And the Three of Wands is a waiting for a soul-waiting friendship. Yung hinihintay mo mangyayari na. No, kumbaga nagbibigay stress sa'yo, yung malaki opportunity na to, or oportunidad, o perang hinihintay mo, maaring mangyari na, no? Makuha mo na siya. So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Represent what? Represent spring. This is something blossoming, no? Your desires fully manifest as the flower begin to bloom. Diba? Seasonal siya, ha? And this is something goodbye to the old, hello to the new. See? Pakawala mo na yung luma, no? Nandito na ang bago, magpapatibok sa pihikang puso mo. So, let's see what is additional messages with the synchronicities. For synchronicities, let's see. And there's a roots, no? May ugat talaga ng eksena dito. May pinanggagalingan, there's a rest. So, kailangan mo ng pahinga. Ha? Huwag kang masyadong, workaholic dyan. And this is something in tune. Talagang papakita dito may pag-ibig talaga na wagas. Na parang, this is a roller coaster, but eventually, kumbaga, this is something survivor. No? Magkakasurvive ang your relationship talaga. Diba? May mga up and downs man dyan sa inyong relasyon, pero at the end of the time, talaga magkakaroon ng something, partnership, no? A balance. So, let's see what is additional messages with a Yin and Yang Oracle deck. And because there is something spying, looking, watching at you. Just be aware, guys, ha? May sumusubaybay at may nag-i-spy sa'yo. And because there's a chemistry, talaga may chemistry kayo itong person na to. Baka meron kang knight in shining armor. Oh, this is something, kumbaga, meron ditong, secret admirer. And this is something is third party. Just be aware, guys, ha? Lapitin ka na mga ingetera, lapitin ka na may mga sapaw, ha? May mga sumasapaw lagi sa iyong relasyon. And there's a nurture, non-nurture sa'yo at compassion sa'yo pagdating sa love life, guys. Inggiting ka lang talaga, no? Additional messages with an, Angels messages, this is something, a money move oracle deck. So, let's see, anong chika sa'yo ng ating gabay for career? So, this is something opportunity, no? There's just changes coming just in that time. New job opportunities and change of workplace or business trip, no? May pagdating na opportunity dito pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. And there's a gift, no? May regalo sa iyo ang universe. Use opportunities that arise. You will discover new talents that will lead to new opportunities. No, may bago oportunidad, not regalo sa iyong po ang may kapal. And there's a power, guys, kakayanan, kaalaman, no? At maaring karangyaan, di ba? Sinasabi, you have the power to control of your life, career, and of course, finances. So, let's see what is additional messages. About naman sa Archangel Michael messages for you. Ay, wait, there's more. This is something in Romance Angels, Papa, or Mystic Love Oracle deck. Ano si chika sa'yo about sa love life? Oh. Ano chika about sa love life? This is a home foundation. Oh. Pag bumabalik ka dito sa bahay na talaga may namimiss ka or meron ka naaalala. And there's something addiction and unhealthy situation. Attachment. Meron dito something obsession. No? May obsession dito, guys. And this is something break up. No? Meron dito naghiwalay. No? This is something unending. Talaga. Tapos na. And dahil din sa pagiging addict. Charis. Kumaga, this is something obsession dito. So, let's see what is additional messages with Archangel Michael. And this is the person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Itong kinakausap mo, maaari mapagkakatiwalaan mo. And this is something a favorable outcome. Papaborsa yung sitwasyon at ang kalalabasan ng eksena to. And you created the situation and you have the power to change it. Ikaw yung naglagay sa situation mo, ikaw din yung makakagawa ng para makalayas ka dyan. Ganon. At magpapabago nito. So let's see. What is additional messages with an angel spirit guides? Diba? Ikaw yung magpapabago sa landasin mo kasi ikaw yung gumagawa ng eksena mo eh. Diba? Minsan kasi pinipilit mo yung gusto mo kahit na mali, no? Kahit na alam mong wala ng eksena, pinipilit mo pa din. This is something support with guidance. Sinusuporta ka ng ating angel spirit. No? And there's something love. Diba? May taong darating na mamahalin ka. No? Hindi mo kailangan i-fleece yung sarili mo kasi itong tao na to magpapatunay sa'yo na you are good enough. No? Chakra messages. And there's a workaholic. No? Pagdating sa trabaho talaga ano ka talaga dyan eh. No? There's a perfection. Gusto mo lahat kasi nakaset aside na, naka-organize na. This is something mysticism. No? May misteryo talaga pagdating sa relasyon, finances mo. Merong lihim na naiinggit sa'yo and this is something rejection. Na marunong ka dapat tumanggi, marunong ka dapat doon, may mga taong kumukuha ng informasyon sa'yo. No, inaalam kung tumatalab ba yung ginagawa niya. Diba? Mag-ingat ka. For angels, answer represent what? This situation is already resolved, no? Or this situation will improve, no? Itong sitwasyon na to magpapabago sa sistema mo, sa eksena mo. And there's a look for a sign. May sinyalis dito ang ating gabay, guys. Makinig ka, may senyales, no? This is something if you believe. Basta naniniwala ka sa message na yun ng ating angel spirit. Let's see what is additional messages with the Monsology. Step out of your comfort zone. No, kailangan mo na kumawala sa comfort zone mo. No, kailangan mo na pakawalan yung mga bagay na alam mo hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. Diba? Marunong ka dapat dumedma. Marunong ka dapat kumawala sa eksena. Ganon. Kumaga, alisin mo na mga bagay na kumaga nagbibigay sa'yo ng worries. And this is something, nothing will come this situation. Wala mangyayari sa situation nang hindi ka nagtitake ng action. So, let's see guys, no, what is additional messages with the romance angels? Anong chika sa'yo with the romance angels, guys? With the romance angels represent what? And then, of course, it's safe for you to love. Safe ka daw pag nagmamahal ka. Di ba? Lahat kasi kaya mong gawin. And this is keep an open mind. So, kailangan mag-open mind ka sa mga lahat ng eksena mo. This is something expectations. No? There's something soulmate talaga, guys. And this is a first chakra Archangel Michael. Na pinoprotection ng ating Archangel Michael. And this is 7th chakra Archangel Uriel. About sa finances, this is something you are being protected in all aspect, guys, ha. Kumbaga may mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo na kailangan mo tanggapin na may mga bagay na nawawala. Aalisin sa buhay mo at sa hanay mo. And there's a door to the personal healing and happiness. Dito bubuksan ang kagalingan at kaligayahan na para sa'yo. See? Nandito yung dalawang arkanghel na sumusuporta ng protection and of course finances and of course the garden and the gate, discoveries. Marami ka pa madidiscover sa sarili mo. No, hindi pa huli ang lahat, wag ka mag-alala. Ha? And there's a denial. This is something acknowledge mo raw yung fear, replace mo insight of awareness. So, hindi sa natatakot ka, nangangamba ka lang na baka maulit-ulit or baka tumanda kang dalaga or else, ganon. And this is something guilt. No? Kumbaga, may mga galit at ngit-ngit ka sa puso mo na kailangan mong pakawalan. For Arkanghel Raphael messages, so this is stretch. No? Kailangan mong, kumbaga, mag-inat-inat or kumilos-kilos, no? This is something consult with the nutritionist. Kasi masyado, baka lagi ka nakaupo sa trabaho mo, laging upo, no? Kailangan mong, kumbaga, magalaw-galaw yung katawan mo. And there's a consult with a nutritionist. Kumbaga, baka pumapayat ka, it's not normal, or baka tumataba ka, it's not normal, no? Additional messages. And this is something energy healing. So, kailangan mo na energy healing dito, guys, ha? And there's a let go. No? Kailangan mo pakawalan, no? Yung bigat. And there's a nutrition. Kailangan mo talaga ng fruit and vegetable. Nawawala ka ng gana din at the same time, eh. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there is a child of the cosmos. The intelligence universe lies within you. See? Talaga pinapakita dito yung mga bagay na makukuha mo in the near future. Yung mga bagay dito na ipagkakaloob sa'yo. And this is something the golden, the children, so this is something rare gift, no? Iba yung titahakin mo. Iba yung mga tatahakin nila. Maaaring nakuha na nila yung mga pangarap nila o gusto nila. Kumbaga, iba kasi yung chapter mo sa chapter niya. Baka nandun ka pa nag-i-struggles ka pa sa mga challenges. But eventually, pagkatapos na yan, makukuha mo talaga what you deserve. Magtiwala ka daw, ha? Kaya nandito if you believe. There's a signs. Kumbaga, binibigyan ka ng signs na napakalapit mo na. Huwag kang lumiko, no? Huwag kang lumiko pa or saan-saan magpunta. Sinasabi dito na, you Heavenly Father know that you have need all of this. Alam ng ating Panginoon na lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo, lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mo makuha at yung mga bagay na gustong-gusto mo talaga ay maaaring talaga ipagkakaloob sa iyo at mga kailangan mo talaga, 'di ba? Magtiwala ka lamang sa Kanya. So let's see what is the angel's number. Represents 20024, the void. Stop. No? Kailangan mong iwasan, tigilan. Ma-stress or ma-depress sa isang situation. You have the more control on your life that you realize, learn and execute what interests you. Turn things around, it get better with time. There are plenty of friends to make social, chill out, have fun and open up, go outside. Sige, kailangan mong kumawala. Masyado ng toxic yung paligid mo, masyado ng toxic yung situation mo. Kumbaga, pakawalan mo yung nagbibigay worries sa'yo. And this is the inner alchemist. So, sinasabi dito, like an alchemist, I possess all the power I need to build a life of joy and harmony. Today, through a positive thoughts, words, and deeds, I create my own light. I understand that I can use the inner magic of intention to transform myself. In this way, an alchemist transform lead into gold. Today, I create happiness. So see, ikaw yung gagawa ng isang bagay na magpapabago sa eksena mo. At ikaw yung gagawa ng isang bagay na mahihirapan sirain yung buong pagkatao mo ng ibang tao, no? Kaya kailangan ikaw yung gumawa ng isang bagay na magbibigay sa'yo ng kakaiba. O ikaw yung magbibigay ng panibagong eksena na hindi kaya nilang gayahin na kung ano man ang meron ka. So guys, this is a weekly gabay, monthly gabay, sorry. This is a monthly gabay for the month of August 2024 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads at naway pagpalain kayo na just at may kapal. Siksik liglig na gumapo na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po sa naghihintay ng aking videos. Maraming salamat po. Pasensya na po kayo. Nagawa lang marami lang time pasyente, no? Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.